What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best air fryers of 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Link the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. We'll kick off toadies. Number 5. Ninja Foodi DualZone Air Fryer. 2 foods, 2 ways, at the same time. Eliminating back-to-back cooking like a traditional single-basket air fryer with 2 independent XL air fryer baskets. Smart Cook System. Achieve the perfect doneness, from rare to well done, at the touch of a button with the integrated Foodi Smart Thermometer. No guesswork required. DualZone technology. The Smart Finish feature unlocks cooking 2 foods 2 ways that finish at the same time, or the Match Cook feature easily copies settings across zones for full 10 QT. Capacity. IQ Boost. Optimally distributes power across each basket to cook a 6-pound whole chicken and side as quickly as possible when Match Cook or Smart Finish is not selected. 6 versatile cooking programs. Air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. XL, 10 QT. Capacity and 2 baskets. Cook a main and a side at the same time for quick large family meals, or cook up to 8 pounds of chicken wings with ease. 2 independent 5 QT. XL zones. They have their own cooking baskets, cyclonic fans, and rapid heaters. Faster cooking. Cooks 2 6-pound chickens up to 30% faster than a traditional oven. Frozen to crispy meals in 30 minutes. Wide temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit 450 degrees Fahrenheit, easy to clean. Includes non-stick cooking baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates. Number 4. Dash Compact Air Fryer. Like all air fryers, the basket handle protrudes from its front. Its control panel consists of 2 dials, one on top to set the temperature and another on the front to set the timer. On your countertop, it will take up about the same amount of space as a coffee maker, measuring just 8.1 x 9.5 x 12.5 inches. On our tests, the Dash Compact Air Fryer scored full marks for chicken wings, which is where it excelled. It also scored adequately for Brussels sprouts, frozen French fries and breaded chicken, although results were not as crispy as some larger models. It fell down on cooking scratch French fries though, which were not as crisp or moist as others we'd seen. Dash suggests preheating for 3 minutes before air frying. There's no preheat setting, you simply set your desired temperature and then the timer to heat the oven before you add your food. Once you add your food to the basket, you simply reset the timer. Like other manufacturers, Dash says that the air fryer's capacity is the amount the basket can hold, which in this case is 2 quarts. However, 1 pound is the maximum we'd recommend cooking at once if you want even results. The diameter of the basket is just 6.25 inches, which definitely doesn't give you enough room to make fried chicken for more than 2 people at a time, especially as you get better crisping if you leave some room between the pieces for air to circulate. Number 3. Cosori Air Fryer 5 QT. NJOY meals in minutes. This air fryer cooks with industry-leading temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making heating efficiency 20% faster than before. Help you prepare a quick meal. Cut down 85% oil with 360 degrees rapid heat circulation technology. Feel free to enjoy the same crispy textures as traditional deep frying, with up to 85% less fat. 9 easy functions. 9 one-touch cooking functions on a tempered glass display let you preheat and add personalized shake reminders. Let's add some fun to the cooking process. Compact but suitable capacity, It can hold 5 quarts of cooking space, which fits enough food for 1 to 4 people, with compact design takes up little room on your countertop. Dishwasher safe. With a non-stick basket, made without BPA and PFOA, easy to clean. Cookbook and online recipes. Always be inspired to cook with an included cookbook of 30 original recipes by Cosori R&D chefs and 100+ recipes on the free Vesync app. You'll be cooking like a pro in no time. California roots. Based in California, Cosori is proud to call the Golden State our home. Number 2. Ninja Max XL Air Fryer. In the early days of air fryers, you had to be content with what are now considered basic features. Most consisted of 3 things: a basket, temp control, and timer, and not much else. Luckily those times are far behind us, and the Ninja Max XL is at the forefront of design and functionality. Being engineered and designed to deliver top-quality food in as little time as possible, it's packed with features. Here are some you can expect. Its heating element is powerful and consistent. Ninja placed it above the basket, which makes it super simple to broil, bake, air fry, and roast without hassle. The temperature goes up to 450 degrees, allowing food to cook quickly and evenly. The 5.5 quart fryer basket is ceramic coated, non-stick, PTFE and PFOA free. The crisper plate is designed in the same way and is easy to use. It has 7 programmable functions, more on that later. It has a very accurate timer that is easy to use and set. The crisper plate is very easy to remove and clean, plus it's replaceable in case the non-stick coating wears thin. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. 6-in-1 functionality. Air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake and reheat. Even crisp technology. Advanced technology that drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. One-touch smart programs. Customizable programs for one-touch wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns and more. Fast preheating? Little to no preheating time, from frozen to golden in minutes. Create gourmet meals with the versatility of a temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees F. Easy cleanup. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. Compact design and stainless steel accents. Perfectly combines function and style in a countertop-friendly size. Discover amazing recipes. Download our free Instant Pot app so you can create quick new favorites and prepare delicious meals. Available iOS and Android. Safety features. Built-in safety features like overheat protection, auto-off and more to keep your mind at ease. A kitchen must-have. Perfect for quick delicious meals, preparing side dishes, appetizers, wings and more. Great addition to any kitchen, perfect for 2 to 3 servings. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.